Hello everyone, this is Granddad Young. In this video we are going to talk about a letter of the English alphabet. We are going to talk about the letter T. Capital T, little t. What words begin with T? Tree, T-R-E-E. The word tree begins with the letter T. I like to sit in their shade on really hot days. The tree grew in the field. Turtle, T-U-R-T-L-E. Turtles have hard outer shells. They can hide inside them when they are threatened. The turtle crawled forward slowly. Train, T-R-A-I-N. Trains come in all shapes and sizes. This one is a passenger train. The train clacked along the tracks. What sound does the letter T represent? T. Can you say T? Very good. T, the 20th letter of the English alphabet. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button and subscribe. Thank you.